The 101 on GMOs. GMOs. People are always people are always hearing the words GMOs, but no one knows what it stands for, nor what it means when it comes to food that we eat every day. GMO stands for genetically modified organism. Anything that is organic can be changed or modified in different ways. Examples of GMOs can either be an animal, such as a bee, or a apple that you see outside at your local store. In genetically modified foods, author Rebecca Reisman has said that genes were the chemical building block for genetics. Every organism has genes in their DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, which is what makes organisms look the way they do and help the way they function. According to the FDA, GMOs have existed for more than 8,000 years. This was with human breeding and animals with each other to make a benefit. So now that we know what GMOs are, let me explain how GMOs change into the new look they are today. This is how GMOs are made. Now, what is the process of making GMOs? Now, the process has many steps to making a GMO. Genetic engineering is the name of the process of making a GMO. Finding the trait you want for your GMO is the first step. Then you extract the DNA from the original organism and prepare it for the next step. Then you take a piece of the original organism DNA and replace it with a new piece of DNA. Start the growing process of your new GMO in a proper environment or lab. According to Blue Sky Science, it will take around 10 years to grow many GMOs for the crop to be used around the world. This is due to a certain breeding that scientists must perform. When people hear about GMOs, they most likely think about the negatives they've heard about GMOs. What if I told you the controversies surrounding the producing of GMOs? Since the making of GMOs, many people have had their worries and thoughts on the concept of them. And GMOs top 5 concerns for family farmers. Farmers are concerned about the corporate power and how they find ways to take their money. Farmers must buy their seeds from companies that make GMOs. If the farmers are caught reusing seeds, they can get sued and lose loyalty. Many people are mainly concerned about how GMOs are preserved. The process requires you to spray the GMO crops with chemicals to prevent any animals from ruining the crops. Many people are claiming to link these chemicals to health problems for humans. For GMO to be able to put on shelves in stores, it has to be approved by the FDA. In the past, present, and future of genetically modified organisms, Rachel Holm claims GMOs have been controversial since the year 1973, before GMOs made their debut in everyday stores. This was due to a certain combination of DNA in the GMOs.